What do you think about Honor of Kings?
Sorry?
What do you think about Honor of Kings?
What do I think?
About Honor of Kings.
It's great, bro.
Wait, you were telling me about the community. You're saying like PH can think like ML is toxic and Honor of Kings is not toxic.
Yeah, ML's toxic.
That's
How,
true.
how are you saying that? Like, can you give me more details?
They think like the people who's watching the pro scene, they think they're better than the pro player.
Really?
Yeah. Because you cannot understand Tagalog. That's why you don't know.
What do you think?
I don't know. I don't speak Tagalog either.
Yeah, bro. Like, I mean, the support level is there. Like, Filipino community, like, if you're winning, bro, like, the support is insane. Like, the support is so good that they will suck your bro. Like, that's how good it is.
Holy shit. Like
You
the
know?
Emperor.
You know, but then if you lose, oh, bro. Oh, my God. It's
don't wanna
worse.
Well, we
Of
know how
course.
that feels like, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess.
So, yeah, I mean, the community is so good. Like, in the Philippines, like, no matter what game it is, but if you lose, like, you know, they're gonna blame you like you did something really, really bad. Like, that's how it feels.
So when you say the toxic, you mean the competitive community?
Yeah, the competitive community.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the tournament you're doing?
It's doing great, but for me, bro, Honor of Kings is better because there's a lot of cute girls, good, bad. Damn, big guys.
Okay.
Meron na ako na-discovering fact eh. Ito na-explain sa akin to 2 months ago eh. Na, ito real talk na lang. Ito, totoo to. Paid trolls kasi talaga eh. Mas marami yung may mga talagang passionate na talagang galit sa HOK because they love ML. And I think it's valid. They're just passionate with their game. Pero majority talaga may paid trolls eh. No? Yung paid trolls kasi walang personalan yun eh. Trabaho lang yun eh. Bayad lang yun eh. Alam nyo yun? Gets ba? Alam nyo na to. Alam nyo na yan. Pero kahit ako, sasabihin ko na lang, no? Kasi maingat din naman ako sa mga pinagsabi ko. Pero this is the truth. Paid trolls talaga. May mga troll farms talaga against HOK. In fact, yun, wala akong pangasar doon. May paid trolls talaga. Ngayon, sige, lumebel tayo sa Kakupalan. May paid troll farms against HOK. Pero ang HOK wala. Hindi ba? Hindi siya ginagawa ng HOK. Parang, the way I see it, okay lang. Okay lang na tinotroll farm nyo kami. Na merong paid farms na talagang kumukota man, gumagawa ng dummy accounts para kumoment ng masama sa HOK. Pero think about it. Ba't di siya ginagawa ni HOK? Diba? Or baka kainin ko yung sinabi ko, meron pala, no? Oo. Kasi, laki ng pera ni. Kayang bilhin ng Tencent yung internet. Kayang bilhin ng Tencent yung buong internet ng Pilipinas eh. Pero, diba? Pero hindi siya ginagawa, no? Yun lang yung sa akin. Okay? O, yan, pangasar ko yan. Inaamin ko, kung may mabad trip dyan, you're welcome. Okay? You're welcome. Wala talaga, hindi siya ginagawa ng HOK eh. Like, walang ganon. Walang paid trolls. Oh, Dayson, mas malaki viewership na. Malaki, men. Kahit ilang stream ako makita dito, lagi kong sasabihin yan, lamang sa viewership ang MLBB, hindi matatalo ng HOK ang MLBB sa Pilipinas. That's a very safe statement to say. I will say that. Walang ka-problem, men. KOL ng HOK, we can easily say that, mga men, no? So, ayun yan. No? Pero, the things you do, man,